Okay, today we are going to talk about Mocha, which is a very interesting testing tool for our UI. And let's have a look. What is Mocha? Mocha is a testing framework for the UI, for the front part. And then we are going to talk about the TDD and BDD, which are two important concepts in our testing. So let's have a look at the diagram. We can clearly see that for the test driven development, firstly we do some tests, and then based on the test we do some codings, and then we see the result if our code has any other problems. Compared with that, the behavior driven development is based on the actually it starts at the write code. Firstly, we write some code, and then we add some tests. Then so we run it to see the results. And after we know what is TDD and BDD, then we need a assertion. So assertion is like a function that we need to use because Mocha doesn't have it, so we need to import that. So in here we use chai, and we will talk about chai later. So there are three types of assertion in here. One is should, other is expect. Both two are TDD style, and while assert is TDD. So let's have a look. We compared Mocha with Chai and Jasmine. So Mocha is a framework while Chai is assertion, and Jasmine is not framework because it should be run in the karma. Assertion. Mocha doesn't have any extension, so it should use Chai, while because Chai has a lot of assertions and Jasmine has its own stations where. And Mocha has its own owner, and Chai doesn't have. And Jasmine should run under the comma, so it doesn't have any runner. Let's look at some codes for the comma. So first of all, I create two functions. One is add and other one is multiply. And then I create two tests in here. The one add test and other one is multiply test. Okay, let's look at it. So actually it's like expect style in here, and we can clearly see that there are the first two parts easy to understand, which is import some things, and then describe is like describe the header, and then in here is a structure, and then in here is like assertion. In here we use the expect assertion, and we can clearly see that it should be like 1 multiply 1 should be equal to 1, and then we try to um, run it. Mocha. Okay, there is an add function as well. So it's very interesting. We have two functions and it's only show add function. So we in here we need to add something more. Yeah, here we go. So we have three things. Uh, we need to use that because in our assignment we have a lot of tests to do. So let's have a look the relationships with our assignment. So we can clearly see that the drawbacks and solutions. We are working on the back end until now, so we don't have enough time and we don't have a lot of experience with the back end. And lastly, we need to autonomous service, which is very important to the web in the web, so it can be slowed by the Mocha, we can write the test part even we didn't finish the back end because the Mocha is for the front end, and it will save a lot of time and ensure the quality of our code because it's a automated tool. and it's easy to learn and use because there are a lot of tutorials. It can also provide autonomous tests for our project.